5%.
Our truck fleet has been using biodiesel fuel for 2 years. We realised the difference between biodiesel fuel and Shell and Caltex diesel was not significant. If I had to identify one weakness with biodiesel fuel, it is that it's a little less powerful. For lightweight lorries and four-wheel drive vehicles, there is no obvious difference. Previously, our truck fleet produced lots of black exhaust smoke, but over the past 2 years, we found none.
Biofuel sounds good, but there are still some drawbacks. We need to find other sources of renewable energy, or we should seek to improve what we have now. Either we do these things, or we accept a future such as presented in the weather report earlier. What difference can you make? What compromises are you prepared to accept to save the environment? Under any circumstances, we certainly have the responsibility to protect this nature that God created.